Now that you have prepped and primed your walls, you are ready to paste and book your wall covering. Confirm your order is complete with the proper amount of panels, your personalized print plans, and installation instructions that are included with every order. Unroll your panels and inspect the material. The panels are labeled, numbered, and packed in order to match your print plans. To begin, roll up each panel individually and set aside in order. Start with panel 1 and lay face down on your flat surface. Before pasting, wipe down with a dry cloth to rid any debris that may have been picked up during packing or shipping. Using a paint roller, apply a thin coat of heavy-duty, clear adhesive, making sure to pay close attention to the edges. The direction of application is up to you. However, you may find it helpful to cross-paste in the opposite direction to ensure an even coverage on your wallpaper. After adequately pasting, you are now ready to book. Without making a crease, carefully fold each end of the wallpaper toward the middle, pasted sides together, making sure that your edges are lined up. This prevents your edges from drying. Finish pasting the remainder of panel 1. When you are ready, fold the other end of the panel towards the middle, again making sure to line the paper edge to edge and without creasing. Let the paper rest for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the material to expand and contract before hanging. This process will also help reduce bubbling of the material when installing. Be sure to keep your surface clean between panel pastings to prevent residue transfer or damage to your graphics. We recommend that you paste, book, and install one panel at a time.